Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw this figure in AutoCAD. So there is a note about this. This drawing is designed to provide you the use of various object snap such as quadrant, midpoint, intersection, and tangent. It also talks about the decimal precision, and over here there are 4 decimal places. Though there are 2 just extra zeros, so we are going to do just 2 decimal places. Also, you are advised to include these center lines. So let's go to AutoCAD. Open your template and make sure you have your layers. Go to model space and go to center layer first. So first you're going to draw a line. You may start at 10, 10. So draw a vertical line about 5 units long, and you can zoom extend to bring that to the center of the screen. And then you are going to draw at the midpoint. Going to the right is 3.75. That's the center of the circle on the right. Circle on the left is 2.62. That also has a vertical distance of 1.99 from this center. So we can offset that 1.99. This is going to be the center of the circle on the left, and then we need to locate the center that is on the top, and that lies on this center line. So we are going to make another offset, that is 2.76. So this line is slightly shorter. So this over here is the center of the top circle, and 1, 2, and 3, those are all identical sizes. In the object layer now, and select the circle with radius. And the first radius is 1.25. Second circle is a radius of 1.75. Now the set of 3 circles that are on 1, 2, and 3 points, they are identical, and they are diameter 0.8. And then the outer one is the center radius circle with a radius of 0.75. Now since those are identical, the faster way is to copy those. So base point should be the center, and then click over here and click over here. Now we are going to draw the lines. So the first line I'm going to draw is from tangent of this circle to the tangent of this circle. So you hover over this and hold shift and right click on your mouse, and then click on tangent, and then click over here, then hover over here, and then hold shift, right click, tangent, and then click. Then there is another line that starts the top quadrant of the circle to the tangent of the larger circle. So line. So that's the snap setting, and make sure you have those snaps on checked. So that's the quadrant, tangent, perpendicular, those are the ones that are normally used. So you can have, for this one you're required the intersection, the tangent, and quadrant. So quadrant is on, but you will notice that over here now it's displaying tangent, so you can click. Now the next one is from the quadrant, right quadrant of the circle to the midpoint of this. So if you hover over it, you will see the midpoint right there of this line. Now there is another line that starts from the tangent of this circle to the tangent of the larger circle. So if you hover over it, it's not going to disappear, it's picky. So for tangent especially, you have to hold shift, right click, and then select tangent, and now you will have tangent visible to you. Same over here, it's not showing, hold shift, right click, tangent, and then press. And mind you, it is going to click where the tangent point is, it's going to detect that. So now you are going to click on the quadrant point, and over here you need intersection. Now it's picking up endpoint, so what you can do is hold shift, right click, and select intersection, and now it's going to click on the intersection. So drawing is complete. Now you are going to go to the layout, double click inside the viewport, and then zoom extent. Let's give it an appropriate scale. That looks good, 1 to 2. Lock your viewport, double click outside of the viewport and go to dimension layer. From center of the small circle to the center of the large circle. Now you will notice this is without any decimals, so you have to modify the dim style. Over here we want precision 2 decimals. The next one, the vertical, for the other circles the radius is given. So radii for the other circles. Then update your title block. And that completes your drawing. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.